부장관의 표배톤에 안테링 배경으로도 야당압주 production 배치 니스탄이다 줄로니도 니스상숨 지나가 배치 중이 레사 파상 사가 체베 파상 잡아꾸나사 안 조절 병원에 산이 체베 모줍조 배치 삼줍제 사가 기빈이 못해 안 먼저 보면 충쇼 제대로 하소라 로나 조조 서베 개가 기투자 상고데라 치도 베베 니니베게 남이 핀제 남만 해게다 로선 가베 저거 저거 사모로라 그모 개베 킨자게 권에 참지게 터시더래 장미 쇼기 아니 보모 제대로 하소라 기계가 개투진데라 아니 보모라라 아니 니 배치 카시지도 스페이 안 보모 제대로 하소 총들 소발라와 나주민들 유와 주족 랑조 샤죠 대링 다시 양철 사가 초절 예외 범의 깨갈 니모 다가 참지 참에 지디 밀루린체 되대 참등 안에 세링 내매 삼들 두바 밤에 멜람 셰세 식제디기 문들다다 안 고감디 균에 남발행게 남발군도 안 그사민이 다 고득체라 주다 남발군도 겹겨다 주민기 람데 나와라니 타고는 투지 제시주다 한 가지 남이도 제시위 행게 사마 쪼고 유민도 제 한 드리블용 안에 쇼로나 쉐니 한 대능에 토고 나 인지 오시고 가셔주라 틱니지 쉐니 Hello everyone and Tashidale. On behalf of Gefel family, I would like to welcome you all on this very auspicious evening, a sweet 16th birthday of our youngest daughter, Zaedoen Lhatso Gefel. May 13, 2007, Zaedoen was born on Mother's Day. By midnight of today is her actual real birthday. May 13, 2023, she will be turning happy sweet 16 years old. My beautiful daughter Zaedoen, I'd just like to say a few words on this very auspicious day of yours. Sweet 16 is the start of a new journey. Our time goes so fast. Today is your day. You become such an elegant young lady. Being a 16 is a great, comes with a lot of joy. Happy sweet 16, my angel. I'm so proud to call myself your mother. You are such a wonderful, brilliant, and beautiful young lady. You make me feel so blessed, and I'm so grateful to be your mother. You are perfect the way you are. I'm so proud to have such a wonderful daughter. We love you from the bottom of our heart, from no matter what. We taught you to be yourself and follow your dreams. May you accomplish all your goals without any obstacles. Stay happy and healthy and harmoniously always. We wish you prosperity and success throughout your life. Enjoy your day, my sweetheart. Happy sweet 16th. Happy birthday to Zaedoen. Last but not least, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you and gratitude to all of you who genuinely accompany and support our family through thick and thin. Hope you enjoy the rest of your celebration with us. Thank you so much everyone for coming here. And after this, I would like to call my beautiful daughter, Zaedoen Lhatso, who is Zaedoen's elder sister, and her cousin, Isha Dogala, who will be hosting the event tonight. Thank you and welcome, Zaedoen and Isha.
Just 아니 다른 데가 펴배고는 남발하게 상물라 공도들 쉐이 나 되게 길래 된지바 고민을 시도가니 아니 나 다들 하들이네 다른 아주 좀 제대로 하절라 로주를 lembeke가 길래 동전 쉐이 안 상황도 좋아요래 예 도샤
guys. I just want to say hello and tashdile. Big thanks to my mom for the introduction. Welcome to Zay's Sweet 16, everyone. My name is Lhatso. As you guys heard, I'm Zay's older sister, and this is our beautiful cousin Yishi. We will be your hosts for the night, so obviously I'm speaking in Tibetan for the night, and Yishi will be translating everything in Tibetan for those of you who don't understand. Yeah. I also just want to say thank you guys all for coming out. It means a lot to all of us here, especially Zay, that you guys are all here celebrating her tonight. Yeah.
Layam Tambo, Gushab Chamba Yendene, Rinam Sushe, Tente Luyashi Puram Sugar, Samatoya.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead with the first performance of the night. I hope you guys are all ready with your drinks and snacks in hand. We have Mr. Champa Yontela with his rendition of Rinam Sum, which translates to three mountains in Tibetan. Give it up for Mr. Champa Yontela.
자, 다른 기념들이 소관대 배우기 군중 세계 방문한 게 내일이나 자진 연신 발성 참말라 삼지당 보면 전된 하자 촉 성장 치료 배우기 개가 랑서 탈라되기 땡땡 기념들라 레선함 전기 여윤이당 간여균지 김상 남라 자식이 땡땡 쪽숨 되기 먼담 주의이 땡하유 교육이 땡땡이 어루유 루미기 땡땡이 변샤용 계획이 태양지 반삼불 땡기기 땡땡이 또 자가리 교육이 최양지 발부자 교육이 평양지 메카나 교육이 초양지 벽화와 쟁기기 최양지 링크서 교육이 빠양지 부총분 누구스 초양지 시자시 따기기 땡땡이 나자시 계획이 땡땡이 발자시 나두기 땡땡이 안타링 땡땡이 쪽섬기 땡땡이 도시 대기기 니마샤와 텔리기 나와체와 투섬 초비기 사가르 개와 우가르 캠반 남라 구제여린 수비기 자시 몰람 소가르 나신 남라 링네여네 초비기 자시 몰람 파과르투 보면전네 하졸라 럽솔레든 페리기 자시 연된 초기 주비기 자시 랑조까지 주비기 자시 샤네 선이 비겐 때문에 내기 민족 지나타게 밀람 측성 측이 헬로 검성 권비기 볼로 니만 남기고 외설 다윈 남기고 수니 딱한기 땡기는 거만 출탐제 와야 니마 주탐제 선함게 먼저 무대 체는 자리기 제가 주로 놓는 자리기 가장 세문자 잡기 가장 세계 오유 속세와 동일 누구 파세와 유인 누구 폴세와 의식의 대답 중세와 나와 벌써 내기 자시 신라 교감 내기 자시 유라나서 마용게 자시 선라 동안 내기 자시 선다 사파티기 자시 제삼 교육이 자시 가족 자시 용기 자시 스링내내 용기 자시 대기 분수 거기 자시 가격을 나가기 자시 레단 소란 체기 몰람 민노노 용기 몰람 방제 나의 소중기 따다 땡데 상기 의심만 보여야 나중에 공도 단다 돈세가 쓰기 리슨 지야기 이 검증선 이 검증 걸라 샤워 걸라 라춘도 파아구 좀비 땡데린스 이 검증 걸라 샤몬도 샤몬 걸라 유유도 마호모 좀비 땡데린스 이 검증 걸라 샤브로도 샤브로 르라 틱단도 부차로 좀비 땡데린스 남도의 책이 레바
내입니다. 도마스를 하소다 정모 이실하모 댄주츠의 액송야제 댄지더가 세랭하조 체네 때팅디 투셰 달라니바 마니롱셰바 플랑슈그 셰팅행하조 파리 때팅디 유라 달갑탕 게다 치위 시시 님베 상만님보 용어래요.
I just want to say thank you so much, Mr. Chamay and Pula. That was an amazing performance. So next we have a beautiful tradition Tibetan dance from the Dringri region. Our beautiful performers are some of Zae's closest friends, Tibetan friends, Yishi Lamo, Denja Tsiring, Riksang Gyatsin, Denzi Dora, and the birthday girl herself, Zae. So let's give it up for them. Woo!
so congratulations 나미네 다 대유년 제 참에 계기가 라 다시 텔레시베 셰시다레 레코데 참아야 냠도 땅나
Next up, we have a special Tibetan family song that we're going to perform. It's like a happy birthday celebration song in Tibetan. So yeah. Thank you for bearing with us. We're gonna do the cake cutting, and for that, we would like to invite all of Zay's friends up on the stage, if you would like, as we sing happy birthday and blow out her candles. So yeah, so please, all of Zaedoen's like friends, if you want, please come up on the stage to surround her with your presence. And if everyone doesn't fit, you guys can also feel free to stand right here and yeah, like above. The candles are burning. If you guys can all up.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Thank you. Yeah, you guys can make your way down to your seats, and we're going to continue with the kata ceremony, and I'll explain what that is in a bit.
Thank you. Number someone tamjelo samji tele tirin chilo ni don jamen ni saksum tinda ngabe chizi jungni resa pasan saga tuju ge ni mandila ya kube chamo Zaedoen Lhatso la gonglo chudu sunbe gega gi tusan dila ya samji tele thamme shuju tha tinin pomo Zaedoen Lhatso la tirin gi tusan tine nyawa sungde tine kuche kangbereng nyunyu chacha mayong wada kuche ring do chowa togi shegon tada chishin juba ta gyawang paji yuri tada shine dona dichi lezo tada lungi jube kubengani chosum jawa jazole ya sonde kamyu shuye yins chiji shuju ta koga di ju yani tiring diri dube jase pomo genshun yerme tsangma tamjelo diri peba dila ya kubengani tuji che na kadin ches chiji shuju ta tiringi tusan di yani lengi ganga jobo yombe tele tuche.
Tarin de Zaedoen lagi kega le ya tele shue ta dechine samdin chishin de dubata Zaedoen da demba shi yume hindi shuye
Happy birthday, Zaedoen. Hope you're enjoying your sweet 16th birthday party. So sorry we couldn't make it.
Tanda yautu masa Zaedoen, but we hope to see you soon.
Yeah.
Sisela, flying kiss.
Flying kiss, Chita. Ali Zaedoen Lala. Happy birthday. We're sending you lots of love and good wishes.
Hi Zaedoen La. Tarin kirangi mixi gera chayuza aningene samdi tashle mubshe. And I wish you a very happy 16th birthday and have a wonderful time. Love you.
Hi Zaedoen La, it's Zaedoen from Canada. Wishing you a very happy 16th birthday. We wish you lots of joy, happiness and success in life. We all love you and we will see you soon. Enjoy your day, okay? Bye.
Hey Zaedoen La. Wishing you a happy sweet 16th birthday. I hope you have a great day celebrating with your friends and family. We miss you all a lot and hope to see you guys soon.
We wish you happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Zaedoen. Happy birthday to you. Nima is my grandchild and she's very lovely and sweet. She's 8 years old and like very much singing. Is right?
Yes.
Okay. I wish you all the best and next time we see each other.
Tele and tirin Zaedoen lagi ni konglo chudu ko be kira gi ni modela samde tele shwe yi
Zaedoen La ni kirangi lo chudu ko be kega ni modela jojo dangara ni ga ngwene kirang la supu thambo da semba ki bo da an kirang kare chene ni tashi lole yong ni melam yue sanjin ga ngwene.
Hey Zaedoen La, I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. Sorry I couldn't make it to your birthday party, but hope to see you soon. I mean, chapuchi, amala tampala kiji apunye, lojan apuchi lo.
Happy birthday, Zaedoen La from Toronto.
Happy birthday to you, sweet 16. For the future, all the best.
Zaedoen La, my name is Tenzin Ogan and I wish you all the best on your sweet 16.
Snamla nami samala tashi tele sishwe do tashi tele. Ani snamla la kesala ni ozo kusumla tashi tele. Ani Zaedoen La ikira lo chutu ki kira. Nido ni shutsa sumla re tuwa tashi tele mambo yoto. Ajani shitake tashi tuki me ani tashi tele mambo yo sama longla ani pinjaja kambo. Zaedoen ichigla hanse chigla keka la kambo tsome tashi mende shiwe to ani tashi tele mambo to sama la ani keka de chabalam toyeba tashi mende shiwe to
Zedeke kala dashidele, zedeke kala dashidele, zedeke kala dashidele, zedeke kala dashidele. Momo zedel hanzo kala momo ngani samde dashidele mangu shubida, ragia trovo yombe melange. Them soba, Thomas Zedel has like a tomo, this is over like a pushy, love now and titi ship of film shiggy, someone got a shona.
Next we have a Tibetan rendition of the song Love Nuan Titi. So please give a warm welcome to Miss Denzi Dogala. Amazing, thank you. Give it a round of applause for the Dogala. Sorry,
So, Leum Shiba, Mazo Kanga Engine Langmine, Shemon Hatila, Ishidoga, Sherabla, Da Doga Da Chene, Pretty Tapshe, Lajirani Lamusum Shiba Pilam Shigi, Samatu Toyoraye.
Right, so we've heard and we listened. We will also be performing. So next performance will be a Tibetan dance called Lajik Lani Lamusum. It'll be performed by Dawadoga, Sherapewa, Yishidogala, and myself. So please give a round of applause to us. Alright, sorry. Next up, we have an acoustic performance by Zaedoen herself and her friend Dexter from the school. So please give it up for them.
Hi everyone. If I had my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. Ooh, I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, I'll the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part is the sunrise and your brown eyes. Yes, you're the one that I desire.
Zaedoen Dexter.
Shebe so Zaedoen Toba Tomo Zaedoen Lhatso Tomo Karma Ishilane Chapsuli Pilam Sherisha. So Totoyara.
And next up, we have an exciting performance by Zay's friend, Karma Ishila. She'll be performing a Tibetan dance remix. So please give it up to Karma Ishila. And Zaedoen herself. So give it up for them. Woo!
All is asked for by Zaedoen. So
Next up, we have Zae's childhood friend, Dinzi La, with a beautiful rendition of All I Ask by Adele. So give it up for Dinzi La.
Just
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Tushen, Piabanaso. Learn Boba, Project Spark, Zaedoen Morangi Tomo, Sinju Tambe, Yamshin Kuya, and she Tini, Koran Zelo Denang, Zaedoen Chubelo Tuke, Mepa, Jojong Cheshi, the same that it's a Denduki, Chego Peshin, Zaedoen Lhatso na Tata, Tapshi Rukati, Genzin Tang, Genzin Re, so Tame Chatso Stabana.
So lastly, to close off the first half of performances for the evening, we have a very exciting and jump out of your seat kind of performance by Project Spark. What is Project Spark, you ask? It's a student-run competitive dance team founded, focused on exposing urban dance culture to high school students across New York City with the main goal of providing opportunities to students to grow as dancers and involve themselves in the East Coast dance community. Zaedoen has been a part of Project Spark ever since she joined high school as a freshman. As you guys know, her passion and talent for dance. And then after her first year, she has become one of the directors for Project Spark, a team of about 30 dancers. And as a director, she has choreographed and led practices for their sets in competitive competitions and shows throughout New York City and New Jersey. So please give it up for their most recent set that they've created for season 6.5. Project Spark! Woo!
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers. May God be with you all.
For the money ain't got to come in for your head, but I'm
मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी तेरे अपने शहर वाले तेरी अंगड़ाई मैं टूटी तू आजा तेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा
कजरा रे कजरा रे मेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
तू होगी बाटू टू पिए बाटू डू तू होगी मुंडे दी पतंगा लारीगी तू एवें उड्डी दी तू होगी मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी किट पिट तू करदी जिम्मे कोई साडी विक्टोरिया तू कहती बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कहती बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा
बिच्छू भी नहीं करना पर सहेली लख मारे नौसिक तो मेरे आसान के लख मारे नो हजारों के फूल पट्टा कराने आए हुस्न की तीरे से तेरी चुल्लू चलाने आए तेरी चमेली चुपके अकेले पूरा चढ़ाने आए तेरी चमेली चुपके अकेले पूरा चढ़ाने आए
सुन Hold up.
Tonight we just have a special flash mob performance that's going to be performed by Zae and her Spark Friends. So yeah, enjoy, and then after that, the show is over. So thank you.
वो तेरी मलमल की कुर्ती गुलाबी हो गई चली चाल के फैना भाभी हो गई बलम पे
thank you so much to everyone that is here tonight. Thank you to everyone that is performing tonight and has performed. Thank you to my park friends. Thank you to my elementary school friends and middle school friends. Thank you to everyone that came tonight, my friends and family. I'm really happy that I get to spend this special day with everyone that I love. So thank you so much.
To all the Zaedoen's friends, thank you so much for coming to her sweet 16th birthday. Okay.